Good afternoon and welcome to 4017 Forest Park Lane. This jewel of a home is located in the heart of Frisco, Texas. Located in the fabulous Shaddock Creek gated community, this 6,045 square foot home sits on a rare greenbelt lot overlooking the creekside tree line. With 5 bedrooms and 6 baths, this home allows plenty of space for even the largest of families. As we enter, we're welcomed by an impressive 2-story foyer with elegant hardwood floors filled with natural light. To the left is a beautiful executive-style office space. The formal living room is a blend of comfort and elegance, accentuated by the sweeping staircase. It flows seamlessly into the spacious dining area, ideally designed for intimate family meals or grand dinner parties. The gourmet kitchen is a cook's dream, boasting top-of-the-line Sub-Zero Wolf appliances, ample cabinetry, a large center island, a built-in Thermador espresso machine, and cozy brick breakfast nook just off the kitchen. To top this all off is the butler's pantry, as well as a large walk-in pantry. The spacious first floor master suite offers a luxurious retreat, complete with a spa-like ensuite bathroom, double vanities, and a custom walk-in closet. Upstairs, you'll find 3 additional ensuite bedrooms, a living area with vaulted ceilings, and a large walkout attic space, plus a media room fully audio-equipped with kitchenette, providing comfortable accommodations for family and guests. But let us not forget the 600 square foot gym with mirrors and bamboo floors. The tour wouldn't be complete without exploring the resort-style backyard with 4 seating areas and a 3-hole putting green. Perfectly landscaped, it features a sparkling pool and a spacious patio, making it an ideal spot for dining, entertaining, or simply relaxing under the Texas sky. Community amenities include a pool, gated access, greenbelt, jogging path, bike path, and playground. Being near the Cottonwood Creek Greenbelt Trail and 3 Frisco ISD schools, this home offers truly an exceptional living experience in Frisco, where you'll enjoy the best of luxury living and the comfort of a tight-knit community. So welcome to your dream home. For more information or to schedule a tour of this lovely home, please contact me. To see other homes currently available, visit angelaadams.dallasareahomelistings.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the ins, outs, and all abouts of North Dallas.